Let's see how the gold has done yesterday. The price formed a strong bullish candle. The price has made a bullish breakout above 4021.78, and the price has reached the next resistance level at 4105.86. And we can see that the price formed a bullish breakout above that resistance, and the price did not stop that. There is no retrace back down, which means there is no selling pressure right here, and that means that buying pressure is still very strong that started from this area where the price has formed the bullish breakout on the daily time frame resistance level, and the price continues to rise in value. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that yesterday the breakout started with this strong bullish candle that has continued to last all the way to the 4-hour time frame resistance 4057.32, and the price again formed a bullish breakout at that resistance, and the price continued to rise in value to the next area of resistance. When the price has reached the daily resistance level 4105.86, we can see there was a retrace back down, a small pressure that has lasted for a very short time. After that, the price formed another bullish candle in the next 4-hour time frame, and it has formed a bullish breakout above this area of resistance where the price continued to rise in value, and we can see the price is currently at 4145.86. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see yesterday most of the candles were bullish, only several of these were bearish, only that a small retrace when the prices reach at the daily resistance level, which is usually when the traders get their profits out, log their profits from when the prices reach at the area of resistance, and the price has retraced only to the first 1-hour time frame, a support level of 4079.67. From here, we can see the bulls have entered again into the market, pushing the price up and reaching higher price levels, and we can see where the price currently is. It is currently at 4145.86, which is a 4-hour time frame resistance level. Based on this, what I can see, I'm expecting that the price will continue to rise in value. The next target is 4188.33, and then we'll see will the price retrace back down again, slightly like yesterday it has done on the lower time frames, or it will continue to rise in value, making a bullish breakout, like in this example here, when this daily candle has made a bullish breakout and the price continued to rise in value. It's something that we will see and watch closely what happens around this area of resistance, especially on the lower time frames. On the 4-hour time frame, where we can see that the price could retrace back down slightly, which means the traders will lock their profits on that resistance level, and which will consequently make the price retrace slightly back down, bouncing from this area of resistance. So for now, what I can see, on the 1-hour time frame, it's very important to see the price making a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and then if that happens on the 1-hour time frame, which means a bullish breakout above this area 4145.86, this will open the price for the next target, which will be here on the daily resistance 4188. So as it looks right now, I am more inclined to see the price reaching high price levels because of the strong bullish momentum that has entered into the market, and it's pushing the price up. There is no selling pressure right here in this area, which we can see here, and especially I think there will be also no selling pressure right here. When the price reaches this area of resistance, then we'll see what happens. Is there selling pressure waiting here, pushing the price down, or there will be open space again to this area of resistance when the bearish sentiment has entered into the market? We can see that here with this bearish candle, and the next time also again here. So let's go step by step. First of all, I'm expecting today that price 4188.33 will try to reach, and from there we'll see what happens. Remember, I also share these details in an intraday, which means during the day I share the details with the traders when there is a bullish or bearish breakouts, what I'm expecting, where is the target, for example, like in this example, a bullish breakout target in the next resistance level. Feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. See you inside. That's all for today. Happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.